Hi guys, today I have a DIY video for you on how you can unclog your drain or just keep it clean with just two ingredients. I don't know if you say ingredients or just two things. So you only need baking soda and some vinegar. Let's get started. Today I showed you this method on a kitchen sink. So I cleaned the kitchen sink, so mine wasn't really clogged. I just like to clean it like this once a month, and then I also cleaned the sink itself. However, you can also use this method for cleaning a bathroom drain or any other drains that get clogged. And I must say, I had a problem about a couple of months ago. Our shower drain was really clogged, and I used all different kinds of bottled products from supermarkets. I had to just pour in a bottle after another, and it just didn't help. So it didn't do anything, and this was the only method that actually helped. It's really important that after you pour the baking soda and vinegar mix and allow it to sit there for 15 minutes, that you really pour in hot boiling water after that, because the boiling water or the hot water is what really gets things going in there, and what helps to unclog the drain. And after that you can just let the cold water run for a while so that everything gets out of the drains. If you like this video, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.